Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to get the most out of Smartsheet and master date calculations without scratching your head, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through some of the most useful date formulas in Smartsheet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pull today's date, figure out the next Monday or Friday, and confidently get the start date of the current or next month, all automatically with just a bit of formula magic. Let's jump right in and break it all down together. Let's start with something super simple, how to display today's date. In Smartsheet, you just use the formula equals today. Go ahead and type that right into your cell and Smartsheet will instantly fill in the current date for you. This is perfect if you want your sheets to reflect the current day every time you open them without any manual updates. Think of it as your dynamic clock. Every morning it greets you with the correct date. Now let's say you want to calculate the next Monday. Maybe you're planning out a schedule and need to know when your week kicks off, or you have recurring meetings that always fall on a Monday. Here's the formula, equals today plus 2 weekday today. It might look a little intimidating, but let me explain what's happening here. The weekday function gives you the day of the week as a number. For example, Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, and so on. By subtracting the current day's number from 2, you get the number of days to add to reach the next Monday. If today is already Monday, this formula brings you to today, which is super helpful for weekly planning. Don't worry if math with dates feels odd, it's just like thinking, how many days do I need to get from here to Monday? Similarly, if you want to find the next Friday, the formula is equals today, plus 6 weekday today. Here, weekday still tells you what day it is, and subtracting it from 6 shows you how far Friday is. This is a great formula for anyone tracking weekly deadlines, project wrap-ups, or let's be honest, just waiting for the weekend. For example, if today's Thursday, this formula will show you tomorrow's date. If today's Friday, it'll show you today. And if it's Saturday, it points to the coming Friday, so you're always pointed at the nearest one ahead. Now let's talk about working with months, which is super handy for financial sheets, reports, or any monthly planning. If you want to get the first day of the current month, you'll use equals date, year today, month today, plus 01. Here, what's happening, the year and month functions extract the current year and month, and the last one tells Smartsheet to give you the first day. It's like saying, just give me the fresh, clean start of this month, please. No more scrolling back and forth or updating dates manually. And finally, if you want to look ahead to the first day of next month, maybe for scheduling or to prepare your team's next big kickoff, use equals date, year today, month today, plus 1. That plus 1 nudges the formula forward to the next month. So if it's June right now, this will show you July 1st, regardless of day, time, or even leap year quirks. So there you have it, 5 powerful, easy-to-use Smartsheet date formulas that'll save you time and help you automate your tasks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure you hit that like button. Got any questions about these formulas or want an explanation for something more complex? Drop a comment below, I'm always happy to help you troubleshoot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more smart, easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.